Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are talking about sunscreens. So as you know, अब गर्मी आने वाली है तो everybody needs an extra layer of protection from the sun. So firstly I want to share with you my personal favorite sunscreen that I have used 3 or 4 packets of it already. So I love this Dermaco sunscreen. It's 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. So it's very good for oily skin. Like I have oily skin, तो सनस्क्रीन लगाने के बाद वो और ज़्यादा ऑयल सिक्रीट करने लगती थी. और ऑल्सो आई डोंट लाइक दैट वाइट कास्ट ऑन दैट सम सनस्क्रीन्स हैव. बट लाइक आई हैव हर्ड समवेयर कि white cast is the actual thing that protects, so I'm not sure about that. I don't want to comment on that, but personally for me, at least according to the SPF and PA+++, I love this sunscreen. It's very lightweight. Like you will apply it and ये गायब हो जाते हैं एकदम एकदम स्किन के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. समर्स के अंदर भी लाइक इट इज़ अ बिट हैवी, नॉट दैट मच. लाइक मेरी ऑयली स्किन है तो मैं कुछ नहीं लगाता हूँ समर्स में, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं. बट लाइक इट डज मतलब थोड़ा सा स्वेटिंग होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, पर इवन फॉर समर्स एंड आई ऑल्सो यूज इट इन विंटर्स. सो पर्सनली फॉर मी एटलीस्ट इट्स द बेस्ट. लाइक आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ बैकअप फॉर इट बिकॉज समर्स आ रही हैं अब. तो आई लव दिस. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट और एकदम जेल की तरह कंसिस्टेंसी है. फॉर एटलीस्ट ऑयली स्किन पीपल आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि ये आप एक बार ट्राई करो. इट्स वेरी गुड. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव दिस. आई थिंक पहले ये इस पैकेजिंग में आता था. इट्स ऑल्सो 1% हाइल्यूरॉनिक एसिड सनस्क्रीन एक्वा जेल. ये 50 ग्राम्स का है और ये 80 ग्राम्स का है. सो लाइक इट्स फॉर 650 रुपीज़ एंड इट इज़ फॉर 500 रुपीज़. सो आई थिंक आई हैव 2 ऑफ देम एज बैकअप. सो आई लव दिस वन. मुझे ये सनस्क्रीन बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है ना. आई कैन स्वेयर बाय इट. ये बहुत अच्छी है. I have also tried this 1% hyaluronic acid tinted sunscreen and I don't think I like it that much. ये बिल्कुल white cast वाली चीज़ ही कर देती है. I think either this shade was not for me, पर वहाँ पे कोई choice भी नहीं थी shades की. So I'm not sure what was the deal with this, but I have just mixed it with my moisturizer and used it in winter. And like it's all empty now. Can't even show you what was its color. It's all gone. So I didn't like it that much. Like I'm not a fan of tinted sunscreens. I don't like it at all. So second, I want to share this Plum sunscreen. It's also very nice. It's rice water and niacinamide hybrid sunscreen. I think it's also for 400 rupees for this pack. I think it's for 50 gram and it's for 400 rupees. एंड आई थिंक मुझे नायासिनामाइड बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करता है, तो आई थॉट कि ये वाली बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी रहेगी मेरी स्किन के लिए. बट ये भी थोड़ा सा वाइट कास्ट अप्लाई कर देती है मेरे मुंह के ऊपर. मतलब आई डोंट लाइक दैट वाइट कास्ट. वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे पता नहीं क्या लगा रखा है मुंह पर. आई पर्सनली आई डोंट लाइक दैट. सो आई वुड prefer कि I'll go with this Dermaco one rather than the Plum. I also want to try the Sika something variant of the Plum sunscreen. वो मैंने अभी ट्राई नहीं किया. If I'll get my hand on that, I'll buy it and I'll just share my review with you guys that how that is. But according to me, oily skin के लिए it's fine. I think it's better for dry और normal sunscreen क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है face पे. Like for winters, it's good. You can use it, but summers के लिए it will be too heavy for me. So yeah, it's that. I've also used this Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian sunscreen. I do not like it. I don't know what is the problem with this sunscreen. Like I'm not saying that Mamaearth sunscreens are bad, but the point is it didn't work for me. Like I'll apply my moisturizer and then when I'll apply this, I don't know how it will just peel off from my face. Like I'm not sure what that is. I have used it with 2 or 3 moisturizers already, but at least for now it hasn't worked for me, so I can't comment कि ये अच्छा है या नहीं. If it worked for you guys, that's good, but for me at least it was a waste of money. I think it was 500 rupees and I'm very sad that it didn't work out for me. So I also had a ultra matte variant of this Dermaco. I think that was very good for oily skin in summers. Like वो एकदम matte हो जाता है लगाने के बाद, but I can't find the tube and I have already used that out. So if there will be any sale, I'll purchase it again and I'll show you guys how that is. But for now it is lovely. And I'm thinking about trying some Aqualogica and Foxtail sunscreen also, but right now I don't have them. Maybe in future I'll buy it and I'll share my review with you. For today's video, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you want me to review any other product or you have any other concern, please put that in the comments. And thank you. Bye bye. Take care.